All right, today is a big day at the mobile home. We are completing the rest of the trim work in this home. So there will be no more trim work left to do after this last round. Now previously, we went ahead, got all this trim painted and ready to go. So today's just installation. We're gonna get right into it. Let's start over here in the laundry nook down here. It looks pretty simple, but we're gonna wrap it around here and then around this little wall, which leads into the kitchen. I made it as far as I can. Now I have to do the door trim so I can butt up to it. So I'm gonna do the door, but also over here, I have to do the toe kick down on the cabinets so that this trim can come up to that before I cut that piece. So toe kick, door trim, let's get those done. I just got the other side on and we're already doing the top. Already. All right. Well, we got a piece of toe kick cut. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I'll pop that on. Level the glue. I'm going to put a couple of brad nails in it just to keep it in place. I don't think that's going anywhere. Last night we worked for as long as we could to get this done, and we got most of the trim done. But now we have to do the base caps, a little decorative trim that goes on top of all the baseboards. This all took a lot longer than I expected because there were so many small pieces, angles everywhere, going around so many walls and corners. So it was kind of a slow process, so I didn't get to them yesterday. So I'll pull out the base cap, get that done. We have a window to trim out, and then the trim will be finished. Well guys, we are wrapping up another day and we accomplished everything that we came here to do. It's taken a couple days. This was actually a pretty big trim job. Trim is, you guys know, slow and tedious. But
I didn't think it would take this long, but it's like so tedious and slow, measuring each piece.
Yeah, and honestly, unfortunately for you guys, it's not very exciting. It's very just repetitive, cut, put it in, fine tune. So there's not a lot to show, but we worked for 2 days, hours and hours just getting this done. And we finally got to put our corner trims in. So
that we made these.
We went around, there was a lot of corners to install. Got those in, got them caulked so that they would look pretty, all the edges. Now we have to paint them.
Yep.
I think all the corner trim's gonna match the wall.
Yeah.
So,
white, and then the bedroom we have to paint crystal noir.
We have to paint the jambs in here. We have to touch up the trim in various places.
We still have to fill so many holes in the trim.
So even though I'm calling this done, we're far from done. The ends of these have to be painted. We're gonna cut them on the door and window. Guys, there's a lot of work yet to do, but I think it's all gonna be done behind the scenes. It's gonna be just slow painting, touch up, nitpicky stuff. Evie just went through and vacuumed the entire house.
Yeah, I don't think it's ever been this clean.
Every single room.
Yep.
Except for the bathroom, or did you hit that?
I did it all.
Wow. And
the shower was filthy, full of sawdust.
We're officially hitting clean mode. So that means
yep.
Hopefully,
no more cutting in the house.
Yeah. That means the house is officially a clean zone. Shoes are going to come off at the door. No more saws in the house.
Yep.
I'm going to do my best. Sometimes I get a little lazy. I start bringing the tools in. But, because, you know, I hate coming in and out, in and out.
No more saw.
But we should be done with the in and out. I don't really think there's anything else to do. All the floors are done. All the trim is done. Everything. There's nothing else except for paint.
Countertop.
Yeah. The countertop does need to be cut. But that's an outside job because we're going to cut it, oil it, and all that. Wow. Yeah. So the huge turning point, I'm so
glad we're done with trim.
I know, it's overwhelming. There has to be a better way. That's what we always said. There has to be a better way to do this.
I keep picturing something that just like molds around the corners. You know what I mean? And
if we were building a house like our dream home for us, I think we would do it a little different. I don't know what we would do, but we would brainstorm that and not do it like this. Honestly, we just did an entire home full of this trim, and I don't think either of us really care for it.
Yeah.
Let's just be honest. The black trim, we wanted to try it. I just honestly find it a little bit gaudy and not that attractive. My honest opinion.
I probably would have done the window jambs black and then like wood tone trim everywhere.
We both like stained wood, like just real wood. And now this is cheaper. But
yeah, these boards were like $5 a piece because they were white primed, finger jointed.
Yeah, just cheap wood. Is it worth putting in all nice, real stained wood in a trailer? It depends on what kind of home it is, but in this old home, that will never be worth a ton of money. It's probably.
I think it's fine for this home.
It's fine. You can always paint the trim to update the look if you don't like the black, you know. But it's not bad. We've seen homes with black trim. We always wanted to try it, so this was our chance to try it. It's not our favorite thing. You guys have to remember, when we're doing a house, sometimes we're not doing things because it's our style or like we're in love with it, even though that seems weird. Sometimes we're just
trying something to experiment.
Yeah, just trying it out, and you know, because we've done other things in other homes. So this is a chance to try something new and I don't know, see how it looks. It looks really nice in the right home. Crisp black trim with white walls, it looks really nice. It doesn't look bad here. I like it in the dining room. It looks really sharp with the table and everything.
Yeah.
But I think in some of the other rooms, it just feels like, could be better.
I wish we did like a light pine look, but that would have costed more. And is it worth it in this home? Probably not.
Yeah. Now, maybe someday we'll repaint it. I have no idea, but I doubt it. Hopefully we don't even own this place long enough to do that, so we'll see. But I'm just saying it to be honest. I know some people are going to like it, some people won't like it, and we're kind of neutral, I think, in between on it. Just eh.
I like the doors black.
Yeah. I think more and more as the finishing touches go in, it'll look better and better. Mm-hmm. Sometimes when things are rough and unfinished, it doesn't look as good. Like right now the trim is full of nicks and nails and it looks all unfinished.
Yeah.
And it makes
like
it
rough.
It looks sloppy and, you know, we'll see. We're making big progress. Let me show you, you know, how finished the home is. Ignoring Stan taking a break, but the house is pretty clean. Bedroom, again, just empty. We still have to fill holes in here, but the bedroom's done. Let's close this. It's kind of hard to show the whole room. Here's our galley kitchen. This is the last of the work that we need to do. Countertop, backsplash, appliances, sink, you know, that kind of stuff. I'm glad I finally got the toe kicks on. You guys might have seen that. The cabinets have been in that kind of unfinished state, so we also finished the cabinets. Toe kicks are all installed. You probably won't be able to see it, but we do have to color match the end of the plywood because I wrapped the toe kick around and you can see that cut. But otherwise, that looks good. Evie just took all the tape out of this room today because we had all the painter's tape still up. And
can that light go back in?
Yeah, definitely. Which way does it want to go? There. So I think the black trim looks better in places like this where we have the little black accents. We have the black on the light fixture, faucet, and then the window ties in. There's not too much black in here. And down here, of course, it looks good because we have our black and white floor. So this place looks really nice. And look at the black in here because we have the black chairs with the orange and the cabinets with the black handles. I like it in here. This black trim looks sharp in the dining room. You can't see it much. And of course, we still have to paint this closet ceiling, but I got all the trim up, so it's all ready to be painted. And got a little caulk on the floor. Nice looking. It's a nice little room. This one came out good.
I love this color. Don't you?
Mm-hmm. So that's the tour. I mean, you can see there's not much left.
I feel like we're 92% done.
Right. We need a water heater in here, closet, hardware. There's a lot of things we have to do still.
Countertop, backsplash, pressure tank for the well.
We're going to redo the tank, outside, all that stuff.
Yep.
And we still need mini splits. We're going to install mini splits in 3 locations in the house. So hopefully we can get that soon. That's it. It's wrapping up. It's looking good. I wish there was more we could show, but this is it. This is where it's at. So
yeah.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.